Onyx Boox ebook readers. I don't have any, but I would love to have an Onyx Boox ebook reader. And the reason why I would love to have an Onyx Boox ebook reader is because it uses Android and Google Play Store. So you can install any app on a Boox ebook reader. So let's say that this is an Boox ebook reader. It has an e-ink display. It has a Wi-Fi built in, and you have a micro SD card slot to extend your storage. You have USB-C and Bluetooth, and some of them also have speakers built in. That means that you can install the Kindle app to read books on your Onyx Boox ebook reader. Everything in sync with your Kindle ebook reader, your iPhone, iPad, Android phone. So if you read books in the Kindle app on your Boox ebook reader, then you have everything in sync exactly as if it was an Android phone or an iPhone or an Kindle Paperwhite. You have the ebook features, but you use the Kindle app. And now we come to the best thing why I need and want a Boox ebook reader. And that is that you can also install the Storytel app, the same app as I have on my iPhone, you can install on the Boox ebook reader. That means that I can open the Storytel app on my Boox ebook reader and listen to audiobooks and read ebooks, everything in sync with my Storytel reader, my Storytel account on my iPhone and iPad, everything in sync. So that is why the Boox ebook readers are so good. It uses Android and normal Android apps. You can install any app you want and use that on your e-ink ebook reader, on your Boox ebook reader. So you can install Moon Plus ebook reader. You can even install Co-Reader as an app on your Boox ebook reader. If you prefer using the Co-Reader UI, you can do that on a Boox ebook reader too. And you can install different audiobook apps on your Boox ebook reader, and you can have Plex installed if you want that, or you can use Prologue, Plex app, to listen to audiobooks from your own server. You can have a lot of fun with a Boox ebook reader because it uses Google Play Store. So that is one of the ebook readers I would love to have. If I would buy one more ebook reader to show you on my YouTube channel, it would definitely be a Onyx Boox ebook reader of some kind instead, because it uses Android, and I will have more stuff to test and try for you with a Boox ebook reader. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think if you really love what I'm doing, please support this channel by subscribing, liking, and maybe even give some super thanks of this video, or maybe be a member or something. Please support me because I need support for this channel. So do that. Okay, bye.